Okay, boys. Ataadidaa. Let's play cards. Well, I dealt, so you go first, Gajigans.
All right then. Nona Boozhoo, good sir. Gidayaawaa Niizh.
Gaawiin. Gaawiin, indayawaasiin, Niizh. Awi-wewebanaabii, my brother.
Blimey.
Hey, sweetie. Gidayaawaa Niizhwaaswi.
Hey, indayaawaa, Niizhwaaswi. Oh, you're really good at this game, Weenie Mushane.
That's right, baby. You gotta know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, know when to run. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And we're just playing a game of Awi-wewebanaabii today. We're playing Go Fish. So let's make that today's Ojibwe word of the day. Awi-wewebanaabii. Go fish. All right then, here's how you play. First of all, everybody gets how many cards?
7. Everyone gets 7 cards.
And then you deal out 7 cards. And then the whole point of the game is to get rid of your cards. You get rid of your cards by collecting pairs, 2 of a kind, like 2 3s, 2 7s, whatever. So like, say it's your turn and you got a 2 card. Now in Ojibwe Moan you'll say, Gidayaawaa Niizh. Do you have a 2? And if they have a 2, they'll say, Hey, indayaawaa Niizh. Yes, I do indeed have a 2. And they'll give you the 2 card. And then you can lay it down. But if they don't have a Niizh, if they don't have a 2, what do you say, sweetie?
You say, Awi-wewebanaabii. Go fish.
Awi-wewebanaabii. Go fish. I do not have what it is you are seeking, my brother. You must Awi-wewebanaabii. And also, if you don't have the card, you can say Gaawiin. Gaawiin indayawaasiin. No, I do not have, whatever the card was. Gaawiin indayawaasiin. No, I do not have. What else? Awi-wewebanaabii. Go fish. The first person to lay down all their cards wins. Okay then. So, in review, Awi-wewebanaabii means go fish. Gidayaawaa is like, do you have a? If you say, indayaawaa, yes, I have a, whatever it is. If you don't, then you say, Gaawiin, indayawaasiin, indayawaasiin. No, I do not have a, whatever it is. All right, and that should get you started. You guys got anything you want to add?
Nah, mate. I think that's pretty much it.
Maybe you should remind them to, share the video on that.
Oh yeah, okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Give it a thumbs down if you don't. I don't know. Maybe you got a gambling addiction and even seeing these cards is triggering you. Thumbs down, Nana BOOZHOO. I don't like your card game. Well, you have been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. Natasha, wait, this is Natasha.
BOOZHOO, Gakina.
And this here is Gajigans.
Hello.
And I am Nana BOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Giga-wabamin, menawa. Hoa.
Okay, whose turn is it?
I think it's yours, love.
Oh, really?
Anybody else here feel like this is false advertising? You think anybody ever came home with a box like this and was like, guess what, honey? I bought a brand new bicycle. I can't wait to take it out of the box and go for a ride.